Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is the Foldabots Assembly Guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Kislap. Now, when building Kislap, start with the engine. Put glue on these gray areas on the bottom of the pattern and glue it backwards this way. So it's a little bit tricky because it doesn't have actual guides to do this. That's why we got this video. So you're going to be able to see the words front wheel and back wheel on this part, and then glue the engine tab by putting a little coat of glue right there and closing it off like this. Now you've built the engine. Set it aside and then get one pair of these wheels. Put glue on the non-printed side and stick them up together like this. Make sure those flaps on the end are pointing outward. So do the same with the other set of wheels. These are the back wheels. Tabs pointing out this way, and we're all set. You know that this one is the front wheel because it's got that yellow thing that supports it on top. So glue that part in the front and glue this part on the back, making sure that the wheels splay out on the ends like so. So at this point, it's nice to get a good balance of the bike so that it dries out really well. Next is to put the arms right behind the neck like this. Make sure that is aligned on the shoulders. And then on the back, all you need to do is to align the engine to the shoulders as well. So put a thin amount of glue right here using the Foldabots glue applicator, and you can just align it like so. So this is a good time for you to look if you've put it on too high. If it goes beyond the neck, then it's too high. Then the last part would be to put the front part of the motorbike right here where the two images meet. And there you have it. Foldabot. Oh no, we've got the stand. So the stand goes right here on the bottom and it faces that side where on her left. Okay, let's see how she stands. So Kislap in robot mode just has her feet forward like this and her arms untucked from the side panels. And in robot mode, just tuck those hands in right there, put on the kickstand and find the balance just like a real motorbike. And there you have it, Foldabot Kislap. Thanks for watching.